Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of personal finance apps. Specifically, we're taking a deep look at Mint, a popular option used by millions. But before you hit download, let's unpack the question, can you trust Mint with your financial data? The allure of Mint. Let's face it, managing finances can be a real drag. Between tracking expenses, budgeting, and keeping an eye on investments, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. That's where Mint swoops in, promising a one-stop shop for all your financial needs. Mint boasts an impressive array of features. You can connect your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment portfolios to get a consolidated view of your financial situation. It helps you categorize expenses, set budgets, and even receive alerts for low balances. Convenience at a cost. While Mint's convenience factor is undeniable, there's a crucial question lingering: security. Here's where things get a little murky. Sharing your data, a double-edged sword. Mint requires access to a vast amount of your financial data. This includes bank account logins, credit card details, and even investment holdings. Now, on the one hand, this allows Mint to provide its comprehensive services. But on the other hand, it raises concerns. Who gets to see your data? Mint is owned by Intuit, a leading financial software company. While Intuit claims they don't sell your data directly, they do share anonymized and aggregated data with third parties. This data can be used for advertising purposes, which might explain why you see targeted ads for specific financial products after using Mint. Security breaches, a cause for concern. No company is immune to data breaches. Mint has experienced a few in the past, raising concerns about the security of user information. While they've assured users of their commitment to data protection, it's a risk to consider. Beyond Mint, exploring alternatives. So, what are your options? Here's the good news: there are plenty of personal finance apps out there with a strong focus on security. Some prioritize local data storage, minimizing the risk of third-party access. Taking control, building your own system. If you're truly security conscious, you might consider building your own financial management system. This could involve using spreadsheets or dedicated budgeting apps that offer stronger data encryption. The bottom line, weighing the pros and cons. Ultimately, the decision of whether to trust Mint with your finances is yours. Here are some key takeaways. Convenience versus security. Mint offers undeniable convenience, but at the cost of sharing your data. Data sharing. Intuit shares anonymized data with third parties, potentially leading to targeted advertising. Security breaches. While uncommon, they raise concerns about user data protection. Explore alternatives. Many security-focused financial apps can offer a similar experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.